Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start by blending onset and rhyme. Bl, ast, blast. Cl, awk, clock. Sorry. Fl, at, flat. Gl, os, gloss. Pl, ug, plug. Sl, am, slam. Cl, if, cliff. Fl, op, flop. Sl, ip, slip. Gl, of, glove. Good job. Let's get ready to punch out some ending sounds. Pulling across this way from left to right and just punching out just the final sound. The word is jump. Jump. Leaf. Leaf. Vase. Vase. Desk. Desk. Five. Five. Plum. Plum. Sheep. Sheep. Blaze. Blaze. Steak. Steak. Cliff. Cliff. Good job. All right, now we're going to segment onset and rhyme. So I'll say the word and you repeat it, and then we're going to chop the onset blend sound and then the rhyme. Plan. Pl-an. Flip. Fl-ip. Black. Bl-ack. Sled. Sl-ed. Clam. Cl-am. Flag. Flag. Bless. Bless. Glad. Glad. Plot. Plot. Sling. Sling. Good work. Okay, get your fists ready. We are going to do phoneme substitution. And remember, we're replacing the beginning sounds this week with consonant blends. So here we go. The word is new. Change n to fl. Flew. The word is dime. Change d to sl. Slime. The word is race. Change r to pl. Place. The word is see. Change s to gl. Glee. The word is mean. Change m to cl. Clean. Good. All right, now we're going to add beginning sounds. So we'll start with the rhyme, the ending part of the word, and we're going to add the beginning consonant blend, the onset. Here we go. The word is aim. Add bl to the beginning. Blame. The word is eek. Add sl to the beginning. Sleek. The word is een. Add cl to the beginning. Clean. The word is ace. Add pl to the beginning. Place. The word is or. Add fl to the beginning. Floor. Good. Last exercise, we're deleting phonemes, so deleting beginning sound. The word is please. Without pl, the word is ease. The word is slight. Without sl, the word is ite. The word is blown. Without bl, the word is own. The word is clear. Without cl, the word is ear. The word is glare. Without gl, the word is air. Good job today. Don't forget to practice your poem.